Welcome back, lovely people, to another Temu video. In today's video, I'm going to be telling us how to get free gifts on Temu, okay? It's very easy. All you need to do is to input this code FRS 127497 and then search it. It's as easy as that. Just input the code, choose your free gifts. Now, before I continue, there are terms and conditions that apply to this free gift. One, you must be a new app user, okay? Temu free gift is just for the new app users. If you want it to be a seamless process for you, please ensure you're a new app user. I've got so many comments saying it doesn't work, the code doesn't work. That's because you're not a new app user. You have to be a new app user. Then secondly, after you choose your gift, after you input the code and you choose your gift, you must choose your gift from this page. This page that I'm scrolling through now, that's the only place you choose your gift from. I've also got to comment that they went ahead to do everything and they didn't get the free gift. You definitely did something wrong. If you go out of this page and you make your order, you miss the free gift. But if you choose your free gifts from this page, yes, you might not see what you want, but I've done videos on how to increase your chances of getting the particular items you need. You can watch my other videos, or I'll have it linked, then you can watch it to see what I did in the video. So go ahead and choose your free gift from here. And then the next step for you to do is, of course, it comes with qualifying orders. You need to pay for some items, a particular amount. Temu will tell you how much you need to spend to actually unlock these free gifts. Yes, they are free gifts, but you need to spend, some amount of money. Now, I need you to have in mind that depending on the amount of free gifts you get, like if you get really expensive things for your free gift, then you're going to be spending a higher amount of money for your qualifying purchase. But if you get things that are not so expensive, then the money you spend, it will be on the low side. So have that in mind when you're picking your free gifts. Now, if you do everything I've said correctly without making any mistakes, I can assure you, you will definitely get your free gift. Remember, you need to be a new app user. If you're an existing user, this might not work seamlessly for you, okay? Now, if you encounter this problem of maybe Temu will tell you spend 20 euro for your purchasing items, qualifying items, and then after you spend that, you might get another message of telling you to spend maybe an additional 10 or something like that. If you encounter that, don't be surprised. It happens sometimes. I've experienced that before, but that was the second time I was using the free gifts code. I didn't experience that during my first time. Okay, if you're an existing user, you can still use this code and let me know what problems you encounter, or if it also works seamlessly for you. Okay, you can still try it out. I think that's all there is to know about getting free gifts. It's really, really easy. Also, one thing, after you're done picking your free gifts, when you're in the stage of getting your qualifying order, make sure you also choose those items from the page you are shown. If you leave the page, then you don't get the free gift. It won't work. You need to choose items from the page you're being shown, okay? So that is it. It's really, really easy and it's not confusing at all right? So let me know if you use the code and it works for you. Just let me know in the comment section. And to people that have used the code in the past, thank you very much. I really appreciate, okay? Let me know. Let's just converse in the comment section. If you encounter any problems, let me know and I will explain everything to you, okay? Thank you for watching to this point and see you in my next video. Bye!